Welcome back to the channel. My name's Adil and today's video is all about an upgrade on this Aston Martin Rapide. This vehicle has actually had an extensive list of different upgrades and we're creating lots of different videos on the upgrades that we're carrying out. So if you're interested or own one of these vehicles and looking at other upgrades, make sure you go check out some of the other videos that we'll have on our channel. So today's video is all about a dash camera solution on the Aston Martin Rapide. So the selected product is something called a Thinkware U1000 front and rear dash camera solution with an iVolt mini battery. This solution is really cool, and this is one of my favorite spec cameras on the market to this day. So what is the actual product? It gives you a 4K resolution front camera, which is absolutely exceptional. The camera sits really nicely on the Aston Martin Rapide. It sits right bang in the middle, giving you fantastic coverage from that wide angle lens. And then we've got a physical cable run that goes all the way from the front camera all the way to the back camera, giving you, again, great coverage across front and back of that vehicle while driving, but also when the vehicle is parked. And you might be thinking, well, I'm going to have a flat battery if I'm having it record when the vehicle is parked, but no. That is where the Thinkware iVolt mini battery comes in. The system is really intelligent. It's a separate battery that we've installed, completely hidden out of sight. And what the system actually does is it takes an ignition feed in. So basically when you turn on your car, it starts inputting charge into that little battery. About 45 minutes of driving or 45 minutes of engine on, what actually happens is you've given that battery full charge. On the other side of that, so when you turn off your car, you actually get 16 hours of full parking mode available to you, which is really exceptional. But for example, say the vehicle is being sat for a week or 2 weeks. Obviously that battery has depleted, you've used those 16 hours, so it's no longer recording. However, you jump in that car after a 2-week period and off you go to the shops. You drive a 10-minute journey. I won't do the maths, but roughly you've got a couple of hours there after that 10-minute journey of being able to have that parking mode enabled. Again, starts inputting charge, and then you've got that parking mode, which is really important and cool. So every time you know that you're going out, taking out the vehicle, and you can actually know that your vehicle is protected while the vehicle is parked, and basically having CCTV around the vehicle. Not only does it look really cool, you actually get an application on your phone, so that's called Thinkware Cloud. You can log in and you can actually view your footage, change settings, and it's also got speed camera detection built into the system as well. So loads and loads of features of the camera, and if you want to learn how the actual app works itself, we've got a separate video on YouTube for how the Thinkware Cloud app works. So if you want to watch that video, you can learn exactly how the system works. I go from start to finish, from logging in all the way to the end, changing every setting, running through exactly what the app gives you. You guys can learn a little bit more if this is the right product for you. But if you're interested in a dash cam, head over to our website. We've got different options available on there, as well as a little bit more technical info about the exact models that you might be interested in. So we use generally as two brands, Thinkware and Blackview, as products, but this is a phenomenal solution and it looks really smart and matches in to the Aston Martin Rapide's interior really nicely. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video and you've seen the upgrade of the dash cam on this Aston Martin Rapide. But remember guys, this car has had a massive list of different upgrades added to it. So make sure you go check out some of the other videos as well as some of the pictures that will be live on our Instagram page. But thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.